My name is Yogesh Sharma. Today I am going to discuss that about LinkU introduction. LinkU is very important topic to understand the entity framework because LinkU is completely or entity framework is completely dependent on LinkU. So guys, let's start. And first we will discuss that what is the LinkU. Okay, so LinkU is a language integrated query language. It's a query language. I can say that if you want to make some queries from any data source, you can do it by the LinkU. And the nickname of LinkU is a link. Okay, so generally developer says it's link, not LinkU. Okay, so why we call this language integrated query language? Because in C# you can write the queries like SQL server, like SQL. Like for example, that if you want to get the data from the database server, you just write SQL asterisk select asterisk from table name. Okay, so such kind of query you can also integrate into C#, and you have also IntelliSense support and language support in LinkU. So it was introduced in the .NET 3.0. Okay, so very important topic or very important concept of LinkU is that it enables you to query the data from the various data sources like SQL database, XML, ADO.NET dataset, web services, and any other objects such as collection and generics. So guys, you are thinking that we can do it by the SQL and also, but as you know that if you want to make connection with the SQL server, or you want to make some you want to perform some database queries like manipulations, querying and such kind of things, you have to write different SQL queries for different databases. Like if you want to make connection and want to query from the Oracle server, then it can, in that condition you have to write some SQL queries whose syntax is matched with the Oracle. And if you are writing code to get the data from the SQL server, in that condition you have to query you have to write some queries like SQL. Okay, so that is the important thing. So in this case, all the hurdles has been removed in LinkU. If you want to make connection to the SQL server, if you want to make connection to Oracle or any other data source, in that condition you have to write the uniform as LinkU query. There is no need to write different kind of queries to get the or get data or the write the data. Okay, so another feature of LinkU is that LinkU has full type checking and compile time and IntelliSense support in Visual Studio. So guys, if you remember that you are writing some code to get the data from the database, and you have written a query like a select from table name, but you forget to write the asterisk sign. Okay, so in that condition this kind of error will be raised during runtime. But in case of LinkU, if you are writing any LinkU query to get the data from the database, in that condition the error will be shown at the time of compilation. Okay, so that is a very important topic. And IntelliSense support is also available in Visual Studio to write the LinkU queries. And it's a completely uniform programming model, which I already discussed, that you are not writing the different queries to get the data from different sources. So guys, this tutorial has been completed now, but later we will discuss about the very much the higher level of LinkU. Okay, so all the queries, all the operators, and we will discuss later. So guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, and I will upload various videos based on LinkU and entity framework. Thank you very much.